What if Mars collided with Earth? What if one day the impossible happened? What if Mars suddenly changed course? Scientists around the world detect something terrifying. A planetary collision is coming, and not in millions of years, but in just days. Mars, the red planet, is now on a direct collision course with Earth. Traveling at tens of thousands of kilometers per hour, there is no escape. Governments collapse. Panic spreads across the globe. Humanity faces its final hours. Then, the sky begins to change. Mars appears, growing larger every second, hanging in the sky like a burning world. Its gravity begins pulling at Earth itself. Oceans start to rise, bulging toward the sky. The ground trembles. Massive earthquakes rip continents apart. Volcanoes erupt across the planet, filling the sky with ash and fire. The oceans rise into unimaginable waves, tsunamis taller than mountains, engulfing entire cities. And then, the final moment arrives. Impact. A collision so powerful, it releases more energy than billions of nuclear bombs. A fireball, larger than the planet itself, consumes everything. Oceans vaporize instantly. The atmosphere is torn away, ripped into space. The surface melts, turning into a global ocean of fire. Nothing survives. But the destruction doesn't end there. The force of the impact shatters both planets, sending trillions of tons of debris into space. Fragments scatter, forming a glowing ring around what remains. Over time, gravity begins to pull the pieces back together. Slowly, a new planet is born. But it is nothing like Earth, a world of fire, violent storms, and endless chaos. It will take millions of years to cool, and life, as we know it, is gone forever. But could this ever really happen? In reality, Earth and Mars orbit the Sun in stable paths. A collision like this is almost impossible. But in the vast universe, nothing is truly impossible. This is Future Simulation, where we explore the impossible. Subscribe for more mind-blowing scenarios.